Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're going to look at card decks. Card decks allow you to group cards together, but if one or two of your cards have different heights, it automatically adjusts the height of all your cards so they match basically the tallest card. This is fantastic because we've developed websites before in the past where we've had to do this and we've had to use manual CSS, jQuery code, and Bootstrap provides a means to handle this. It's really simple. All you have to do is just create a couple of divs, and the first first div has a class of card-deck-wrapper. Then you put a div inside it which has a class of card-deck. Then inside here you put your cards and you create them as you normally would. So I'm going to keep it simple and just copy or cut and paste this card into here, indent it like so. What I'm going to do is copy and paste it 2 more times, so there's 3 different cards. And what I will do is just copy and paste this text, so this will be the tallest. I'll make the other edge one slightly taller, and if we save this, I'm actually going to add a few break lines because otherwise it just touches the bottom of the page. So if we just go back, refresh, and there we go, we have 3 different cards, all with varying height in terms of the amount of content it's got in there, but the height of the actual card that the user sees is the same, aka it matches this one. And I think this is fantastic. You don't have to add any custom CSS or jQuery to detect the content inside and automatically adjust it. Bootstrap does it for you. I wish we had this feature when we was doing a website before, because it would have saved us so much time and effort. If you have any questions about this or anything at all, feel free to post it on our education platform sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description, plus there'll be another link in the description to the source code from this video and the source code from every other video in this series. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it does help us provide more content to you on a regular basis. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.